All right, let's see what the guys are doing here at the office. Getting our Christmas lights up for the season. Getting them installed. They just started on the blue, LED blue. And right behind is LED green. Boys are working on that. Putting them up. We gotta get these leaves cleaned off this roof. Getting a new tree here from when that guy damaged our front bed. Got a big tree coming for that later this week. Get that fixed up. And I think the guys must have wandered out back to get more lights, so we're gonna find out where they are, and we'll be back at you guys. All right, talk to you guys soon. Oh yeah, multicolors. Love it. Had one of your guys over here, Felix, with 1 foot on the ladder, holding the ladder like that. I said, think you're gonna do that this year at Holiday Lights? You going down the road. I don't need people sitting on the ground holding a ladder with 1 foot and putting their hand on like this. Nah, go home. He just looked at me. I said, I'm not fooling. Go home. Off he went. Bye-bye. What color was this tree last year? What color was this last year? Same color?
Yeah, no, this light is not take down to the last year.
Gotcha.
Therefore, there's a lot of lights is not working.
It was blue last year?
Yeah.
No, that was my question. It was blue?
Yeah,
okay. Gotcha. Okay. Multi. Yeah, that was last year.
Yeah,
Look good.
I think couple branch put the, I don't know if you fix this one over here too for the, you see all that these branches
Yep.
coming on.
Get her fixed up, sir.
Yeah.
Looking good, Felix. We need 3 more people. 4 more people hold ladder. I'm gonna have a new job description this year. Ladder holders, $25 a day.
I don't know if put the new,
That'll be their new job.
I don't know if put the new 3 feet or but you see all the lights not working. I think it's
Probably cut right there, Felix. Yep. I would take a piece of 18.2, running right up to it, power it up. Why don't you try that? That whole arm's out, Felix. The whole thing's out. That whole thing. The whole arm of that tree is out. The whole line's out. Yes, sir. Hey, Byron, we need to take this limb down. Red tree's good? Okay. Good work. Never a dull moment around the office, getting things done, ready for the holidays. Oh, yeah. Guys are getting it together. Getting there. Getting there. All right. Go ahead and head to another job site. Just wanted to check up on the guys and gals, see how they were doing. What town are we in? Shady Side?
Shady Side.
Shady Side. Down here on the job on the water. Getting ready to install a lawn sprinkler system and some outdoor lighting for this waterfront property. Beautiful, brand new home.
Looks good.
Looks beautiful. Beautiful out here. A beautiful day. Like we're getting some yard drainage in. Trying to get in here tomorrow morning.
No.
So Laura told me. Laura told me to get over.
She said this afternoon. They ran the pipes and now they're hooking them up. Because I kind of hook them up, then you can come back after and they'll hook them up. They're going to run this one down, break the side, and tie into this one and the other one.
So we're going to do the lawn sprinkler front and back?
Yep.
Lighting?
No.
No lighting? Holiday lighting?
You're not going to go on that roof.
Why not?
Too tall.
Too tall.
Yeah.
We do a lot taller houses than this. You guys on the harnesses. I think it looks spectacular. All this railing done?
Here's your water here.
Yeah, I was showing that to Grade a minute ago.
Okay. And they're going to have, I got to put a ton of plants and there'll be plants here, plants up front.
Plants going in this week?
Yeah.
Well, we want to get the irrigation in before plants inside.
Well, come on, let's go talk to them.
If not, it'll cost you 4 times as much. That's ridiculous. They need to look on his face 4 times. Sonny, how you work with this guy?
That used to be a friend of mine.
Like me. Sonny, we're in the same club. What's your next step after this, Sonny?
I got to do the same thing on the other side.
Okay, that's tomorrow?
Yeah.
And
I'm thinking probably Wednesday you could come in.
Okay. Get in here.
Technically, I can't take the silt fence down,
Yep. We'll have to work around it.
but I figured do the topsoil. I mean, you gonna set your heads and all too, or
Well, we can at least rough in, set up some funny pipe, leave it stubbed up.
Right.
That way you guys can spread
then
your
I can do
topsoil.
my finished grade and
Yep.
let you come in and throw the heads in.
Yep.
I'm trying to sod Saturday.
Okay. We can make that happen. We look like we're gonna have a dry week unless that hurricane hits us.
Yeah, I think we're still gonna be dry unless I don't know. I didn't look for a big step.
Right now it's up to Category 5. It's going to hit Wednesday mid-afternoon, Florida. It'll be down to Category 3, and then it hits Daytona, Category 1, and go out to sea. But I don't know how far that'll go up. So we might get rain, might not get nothing. But if it stays like it is now, we'll be perfect all week. So let's pray for that.
I just can't, being on the waterfront, I can't take the chance of taking the fence down.
Yeah. Oh no, they light you up.
There's a bed down the corner. A bed over this corner.
You got a plan?
Yeah, it's over here.
Oh, okay.
Now the plan, I wouldn't go off the plan from what Adam said. Like I wouldn't base your stuff exactly what's on the plan.
Yeah, because some of these bids are getting moved.
Okay.
Oh, one of those type of projects, huh?
So I know there's a bed going down there, a bed going over here.
2 beds.
They're putting a bed here between like an figure eight bed.
Figure 8 bed.
Yeah.
Sort of what you did over there.
Yeah.
I remember that project.
Propane line leaves the tank, goes on pretty much a straight run around that last pillar.
Okay.
And then he's got pipes going out to the pier too.
We'll track that.
Where that mulch is,
Yeah.
underneath the deck and going around to the side garage door,
Yeah.
if we can go outside of that because that's all RC6 on fabric for future pavers.
Okay.
Already on grade.
We'll stay out of that area. Where's the propane line go, Sonny? This way?
It goes from the propane lid to the outside of the far pillar.
And then into the house?
Curves around, or it kind of cuts back in underneath my mulch there. It's covering. What I
Okay.
did, we did the base fabric and then mulch. That way all they got to do is come back and pull the mulch and fabric.
But the copper line, you got copper or plastic right here?
Copper.
Copper? So we can track it. We'll track it.
Under all this mulch here is RC6 already based out.
So we'll stay out of that footprint.
This
We don't
too.
need to be in there anyway.
This whole thing too.
Oh, is that seat? Okay. So grade, we'll have to make sure to tell our guys so they're not going in there.
Yeah. All his electric stuff and copper stuff is tucked on this side of the units. So you're good, I think, in that where that board is if you're coming up through here with any. Just keep it tight to the fence.
Yeah, with a machine.
Going out to the pier.
That's his water line.
And I want you to put it in like you did that one, so when you flush it out, you can flush this one out.
Cha-ching.
Ching. Man, I'm already up to $27,000.
Did you do that last that you did on that one?
Yeah, we did. That way we winterize it, we winterize your pier, remember?
Right.
That's back when you used to do loop-de-doos on the ski-doos,
Yeah.
on the jet skis, remember?
Yeah.
You used to do somersaults, he used to do all kind of crazy shenanigans out there. That's when he was a lot younger. He was 45 back then.
That was good one.
Do you spade it in or trench it in? Like a.
Vibratory plow.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yep, I know what you meant.
Those are
You
nice.
probably get tongue-tied after hanging with Tim all the time. You're probably just speechless. You're still down here working. Job should have been done 3 months ago. I thought he was going to be moving in.
Should have been done over a year ago.
Well, yeah, that's true. But one time we were talking to you about moving in for last year's Christmas, remember?
Yeah.
Thanksgiving we're talking about. You're going to have a party.
You want to see me inside?
Yeah. Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.